Hey guys, welcome to my channel VJ Shows Off. This video is about unboxing of a new phone which I got yesterday. It is OnePlus the 9R series 5G, the model name, and I got it yesterday from Reliance Digital. It is having this look. I'll tell you the features. Actually, I have been using it since yesterday and I got quite impressed. So I thought I'll make a video out of it. Although the phone is not new, it is around 5 months old. So, but still, in my own way, I'll try to explain if any person who don't know about this phone and thinking of buying a new phone, obviously you can take the tips which I'm giving. And I'll start with the box. Look at the box. It is actually so attractive, and they have made it so attractive that you want to see the phone, that is. So that is the thing they have done. In this they have with the phone which I got as one transparent cover, plastic cover. It's not that great as such, but still they have given it, and inside it there are all the booklets are there. First of all, this welcome card is there, and there are some stickers inside, fancy stickers, and Red Cable Club card is also there. You can become a member. There is a few offers there, which is if you become a member, that is, and a quick guide to the phone, so giving all the instruction manuals. So I'll directly come to the phone. This phone is actually really attractive to look. You can have a look. This is a lake blue model. It is actually, this is made in India itself. Along with the phone you get this adapter, 65 watts, and the USB cable. I'm already using it since yesterday, and it has got various features, as I said. First of all, I'll just explain all the buttons it is having. It is having a volume control button here. Then if you want to make the phone silent, there is a button out here. This is the power button, and this is a earpiece speaker. You got it here, and there is a dual SIM facility which you can put it here, and also it has got an awesome speaker. I used it a couple of times in yesterday and quite impressed. Overall, if you see the look, it's really fantastic. I mean, it's just so smooth. It is around 189 grams, that's all, not very heavy. And apart from that, it has got so many cameras here. It has got two flash LEDs, so it throws a light really good when you actually use it. And apart from that, there are the cameras which is having. The main camera, primary camera, is 48 megapixel, and apart from that there is 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, and there is a 5 megapixel macro camera, and also 2 megapixel monochrome camera. The front side camera is 16 megapixel, so you get great selfies also. I have clicked 2-3 photos along with it, and it's come quite good actually. The same place I tried to use in 3 different modes. It has come really good. The RAM of this phone is 12 GB, and 256 GB is the space available, and this cost me exactly 44,000. Even in Amazon it is 44,000, and of a lower capacity, that is 8 GB RAM and 128 GB capacity, it comes for 40,000, that is. So I thought why not go for a 44,000 one, and I'm buying this phone after 3 years and quite impressed by its usability. I mean, it is absolutely, and it has got inbuilt features which is really great. The best part about this phone is its speed actually. The refresh rate is 120 Hz, so it's super fast. And also I have uploaded all my apps which is required official for the ones I reach for my office and also my personal use. I already uploaded all the apps, and it was super quick. All these apps are working super fast, unlike my earlier phone. So I'm quite happy to buy this phone, and for the value, I mean, for 44,000, I feel it's steal actually, even now. So if anybody wanting to buy this phone, I mean, or buying a new phone, you can definitely have a look at this. This is really very impressive. I hope the short video which I made about this was informative enough. In case if you are watching this video for the first time, do subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get a notification. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye, take care.